listen so. Yeah, my afternoon is free.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm going to be playing Con.
I'm Flora and I'm playing Nina.
I'm Lauren, I'm playing Masha.
I'm Tommy and I'm playing Simon.
Oh,
Good question. Very good question.
it's about a
Music?
band. Yeah.
Right?
It's about a band called Seagulls, which is formed by 4 students at university, and about their relationships and kind of the stuff they come up against.
Friendship, love, unrequited love,
A lot of that.
self-discovery, student life.
Oh gosh, this is so.
Yeah, this is quite.
I actually can't
My band
remember
was
the name
called
of my...
Dea Matrix.
One more time?
Yeah.
Dale?
Dea Matrix.
Dea Matrix.
It's head backwards. So Dea, and then Matrix. So it sounds like some sort of cool sciencey thing.
It sounds awful.
Yeah. Sounds dreadful.
That doesn't sound cool.
It's gonna be the like really deep 4 a.m. chats.
Tommy. I think.
I bet they were good with you as well, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there were cuddles and
I liked one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I miss those days. Yeah.
I think when you go to university, or drama school or whatever, further education, and leaving a city that you grew up in, you can kind of reinvent yourself, and you can be what you really are. And I think that for me was to move to London from a northern town was massive, and I just loved that freedom and anonymity.
Anonymity.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The atmosphere that we're trying to create, and this sort of, well, we're building up to it at the moment, but the ensemble of the band, and that we're going to hopefully be really tight with the music, and it's going to actually feel like a proper, well, it will be a proper band.
Yeah,
and
new writing, new music,
Exactly.
like world premiere. I mean, that's exciting, right?
I think.
Yeah, you're gonna have a good night out, to be honest.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
some live music, some great performances.
And it's funny. It's really funny.
Yeah,
I think, the
it is
script.
funny. And also there's a
very
few
entertaining.
scenes that are written like, I think it's, a lot of the scenes feel like you're looking through someone's window. So it's not censored at all. There's conversations that these young people are having, whether they're with their boyfriend or the person that they love or their best mate, and they're talking about real stuff, and that's great. That's really amazing to see on stage. And then and then loads of music, and it'll be great. I'd watch it.
Instead, like we've never met. There's something wrong. But what to say? You say the perfect things, they slip away.